Meet the Kneeless Carpet Stretcher, designed by carpet installers for carpet installers, made to stretch carpet with less effort than a traditional knee kicker. Begin by positioning the Kneeless Carpet Stretcher against the wall at a slight angle. Plant the front and back pins into the carpet to grip the carpet fiber securely, creating a stable anchor. With the pins in place, simply press down on the handle. This uses leverage to pull the carpet towards the wall, distributing even tension across the carpet for a controlled stretch. Move around the room as you would with a traditional knee kicker, stretching the carpet securely onto the tack strips. Unlike a knee kicker, the Kneeless Carpet Stretcher applies steady, even tension, saving your knees and back while providing a secure stretch to eliminate wrinkles. It also allows for precise adjustments for a tight, professional fit. The Kneeless Carpet Stretcher works in both large rooms and tight spaces, especially hallways, giving installers total control for precise, professional results every time. A must-have for easy, durable carpet installations. Protect your health, prevent injuries, and extend your career with effortless carpet stretching. Exclusively available at Sarmazian.shop.